All Pro Exterior Services here at the Dollar General here. As you can tell, it's a little nasty. So they redoing it, and they requested Kenny, who I'm with today, to come out and clean it up. So he called up. We're going to team up on this project. Got the beast rolling. Did well. Got Kenny with his equipment, so got him a little direct drive unit, nice little unit. He's gonna help out. We'll do some flat work at the same time while I'm spraying this with the soft wash. So we're gonna go around, take a look, and yeah, it looks good. We're just gonna hit it. All right. Boy, Kenny, what up, Kenny?
What's up?
All right, so yeah, me and Kenny's out here at this Dollar General. Just gonna show you guys what's going on. The top part is all we did was a downstream because the bottom was not as dirty as the top. So to conserve bleach, we're gonna go ahead and hit this with a downstream, let it soak for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and soft wash the top. So we got this one side almost knocked out. Got 4 sides to do in a front pad on this commercial dime. And again, Kenny's one of my competitors, local dude, very good dude, good people, and you know, that's what you got to do. We team up, man. So yeah, no, appreciate the opportunity, and yeah, we'll make this happen. So we'll keep you posted. Peace. Shooter tip, it makes a little bit more of a stream, so sometimes it helps with a little bit more pressure. But it's what we did. We ended up downstreaming this first, the top part too, and actually that broke down a lot of the organic growth, and we came back and hit with about a 2.5%, 3%. So it probably can use one more coat here, and we're gonna hit that next. But again, we only got 60 gallons of bleach, so we're not trying to use all of our bleach. Well, we're trying to use it all, but not on one side. So anyway, we're gonna downstream the back. This is the worst side, so we hit the worst side first, and yeah, it's coming clean, man. Very impressed. The contractor already came out and said, "Wow." He says, "Oh, by the way, I got a few more of these I need y'all to hit for me." So there you go. It's all about networking. All right, guys, finish this up and hit you in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, on the back side of this Dollar General, just hit it downstream, just let it soak for about 10-15 minutes. We got a little cooler weather. It's warming up. It's supposed to be 75 here today. Perfect washing weather. So yeah, we're doing the downstream first just because we only brought 60 gallons of bleach, and we don't want to hit it too hard, but our thought was do the downstream and then come back and spot check with the soft wash system. So coming out nice though. I mean, I tell you, the downstream worked a little better than I thought on the stucco. I know we still got some stubborn spots, so we're gonna come back and hit that. But yeah, this is where that 8 gallon gonna come in nice. We can rinse quick. You know, we're here with a 4 gallon, 2 4 gallons. My boy's in the front, Kenny, and he's catching the flat work while I do this, so we can try to get out of here pretty quick. Make a quick lick. Nice size ticket. Thanks to Kenny. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this backside done, and yeah, get it done. Make some money. All right, make that cheese. All right, peace. Finishing up the back, I did 2 downstreams, broke up a lot of the organic growth, and as you can tell, it's coming off. But I did come back with a soft wash and spot spray it. So, and we're just doing a rinse here. You want to wash rinse stucco rather. Really good. So we're just coming back for a final rinse on the back side. Then we'll move to probably the front. And then we got the side on this side. I'll probably have to move the trailer. But yeah, coming out nice. Again, you know, if this was a house and I was close to my bleach supplier, I'd probably just go ahead and throw 3.5-4% on it. Cut down on the efficiency, and you know, it's taking a little bit longer dwell time because the material's still kind of cool. But it's coming off, so customer's very happy. And then you're gonna have stains. This building has never been cleaned. Probably been here for 20 years. Never been cleaned. There's gonna be some organic, not organic stains, but non-organic stains that's in the stucco from rust or whatever it may be. And we're not doing rust removal today. We're just doing a wash. So anyway, I'll hit you up in a minute. Peace. Got the side and the back done. We got Kenny on the front. He's almost wrapping it up, so it's gonna go a little bit quicker because I'm gonna hit it with a hot mix, and I'm gonna have Kenny come behind me and rinse it. When we let it go off about 15-20 minutes, we let it go a little bit longer. We see it's taking a little bit more time to let the SH react into the stucco, but it came out clean. Check it out. Very nice. So yeah, we're gonna get set up here in a minute. We got the back this side done, got the walk done, and we're gonna go ahead and finish up in a little bit. So keep it posted. Rinse, I hit the soft wash. You can tell we got a few stains here. We're gonna have to go back and hit, but we got most of the stuff off. Got some more organic growth here. It's just heavy, man. This building has never been clean, so we're hitting it good. He's using an M5 twist, doing some training too. He's kind of new to the game, but he's got a nice little setup, and we're already talking about building him a little skid and everything. So yeah, it's good stuff, man. And I'm learning a lot as well. This is the first big commercial job for me as well. So both learning curve and both for both of us, and we're both gaining some experience, and met a good dude at this whole deal. So yeah. Oh, guess what? Dude's got buku more he got to do. So that just means we're gonna be in it. All right, peace. Outside of the DG, Kenny's pulling some hose. Got the soft wash set up. We're just doing some property protection here with some wetting of the plants. We're running about a 3%. As you can tell, it is dirty. It's taking a couple of coats in some spots, but some of it's stained. It's not organic, so customer already knows what's up. So yeah, not a big deal. We're getting it done. It's the last side, and probably go hit another. Got another job I can go hit. Depends on how I feel when I'm done. I got about this is about 45 minutes from the house, so normally we don't go this far. But you know, when you get a guy that wants to sign $30 Generals with you, you make it a point to go. So anyway, we're gonna wrap up, and I'll show you some aftermath here in a second. All right, peace. Guys, we wrapped it up. Got it all done. Look at that building. Came out beautiful. Took a few coats. So again, this building's never been clean. Hit that 12 volt on it with some 3%. And yeah, it worked out well. So anyway, guys, appreciate the likes, subs, and everything else. We're gonna go ahead and roll out, and I gotta hit another job maybe. So peace out.